Hi, I'm gonna show you how to self-test AIS. For the first step, we go to menu, arrow down, click maintenance, go to self-diagnosis, click transponder, click test all, click enter, and wait for to be okay. Click controller, enter, click connection, enter, and it will be. So after that, go to self-diagnosis now, click transponder, you will see all okay. You will see the log for this, and go clear, go to controller, you will see all the log also clear. Connection box, you see the log. So this is for AIS JHS-182. That's all. Thank you.